Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You use my name in the street. My name is my name.
Alright, YouTube, had to make a run. You know, Tweak G and MB, they know about this spot. Gotta come to the paint spot in Chicago, deep in the city. Come get some more clip. Well, I need some activator, really. We're in the hundreds. The number y'all looking for, address, and Halsted. Out here now, starting the wet sand and shit. Look at that big ass beat. Fuck him up real quick, but getting this runs out. Underground King send me a couple tips. One Man Body Shop send me some tips. So gonna knock these out while I knock this fucking B out. Alright. Okay, YouTube, back with y'all for a second, man. Had to go find my real sponge, you know, my pad, so I can wet sand. I gotta go get some more water, but getting the runs and stuff out. But man, I'm about to just wet sand the whole car before I spray the clear. Wet sand everything, and any little areas that I might burn through, I'm gonna reshoot just that area, tape off everything and reshoot that, and then like I said, wet sand the whole car, then spray the clear. Then we be done with that. I'm about to get the insides together, probably throw some sounds in here, 215s or something. See if I can put my radio in there. Change my mind. I guess I've changed. I don't know if I changed my. Well, I sold that radio. Let's put it that way. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be a big screen. I ordered 2 more tires for that front and the other front, though, you know, because the other front ain't got the rim on it. Ain't had a rim on it since July last year. 4th of July, made a video about it, but changed that out and just get this thing together, get the tent together, throw the cam in, cam, big injectors, what else, exhaust, and special surprise for y'all. But yeah, I'm out here, man. I'm out here. It's hot as hell, I'll tell you that. Alright. What up, YouTube? See the sun going down now. Been out here for a minute. So I've been blocking this bad boy down. So I ain't gonna drop that video of the clear tonight. So I just want to give y'all an update. You know, just in case anybody was gonna be looking out for it. I'm still out here. I gotta make sure this thing is perfect. Look like glass. So I got my paper down there. I don't even know what the other one there. Somewhere around here. A whole bunch of paper. Like I said, I have some burn throughs just right here. So I'm gonna shoot that little area. I ain't worried about that, but that's the easy part because I already got the gun ready. So I'm more worried about the wet sand to get this perfect, man, perfect. So yeah, we out here, then I'm back here now with it. So what I'm doing, I'm going 800, then 1,000, then 15, and then the 2, and get it super right, you know. Nothing but time, man, because I started this project, man, at like 9 o'clock this morning. So yeah, that's about it, man. I'm just going ahead and drop this video because I'm gonna be out here for a minute getting this ready. But this my the clear. Got more some more clear activator because like I told you, I ran out of activator, but like fuck it. Well, I'm that, get it. Then Underground King Sprayway, And my man Black Rain, need y'all help with this mixing ratio. I'm gonna pour the whole bucket, but what's the ratio? What do I pour the clear up to, and what do I pour the activate up to?